Man, I just got called out to an 11-week wolf challenge, man, by a female, man. Stay tuned, cause I'm gonna tell you exactly who it is, man, right after this intro.
Oh, young fly nigga, I keep big shit, yeah, plug my wristlet, plug my big wrist.
What's good enough against the gang? It's your boy, SwaggDrizzle, man. Hey, if you're new to my channel, on this channel right here, I teach you how to take your way to a whole nother level, man. So if you're new, consider subscribing and clicking the bell so you don't miss another video. Man, I just got called out to an 11-week wolf challenge by a female, bro. You feel me? I'm gonna keep it a whole honor with you, and I'm gonna try to keep this video short and simple. I'm gonna take out the rag first, though. I gotta unrag show y'all what I'm working with.
Chooky beat.
I just got called out to the 11-week wolf challenge, man, by no other than one of the OGs in the game, you feel me? She ain't really an OG, but she an OG, you feel me? Like, no other than the Supreme RG3. Yes, RG3 called me out to an 11-week wolf challenge, man. This is an epic challenge, man, you feel me? Me and RG3 cut our hair on August the 18th, you feel me? Our next cut is not gonna be until 11 weeks from now, which is, I think, November 3rd, you feel me? It's about to go down. You seen me do the 11-week wolf challenge a couple months ago, you feel me? It was rough on the guy, you feel me? But this time, I'm putting in the work this time, man, you feel me? I'ma grind for it this time, man, you feel me? Cause last time I ain't really have time. But today, I got time, man. Hopefully my voice come back soon, man. I got more videos coming, of course, along with the wolf challenge. We're gonna try to do an update every week. So RG3 called me out on the 11-week wolf challenge. I had to accept it, man, you feel me? So, like I said, if you're new on my channel, be sure to hit the subscribe button and click the bell so you don't miss another video. It's your boy SwaggDrizzle, man, and I'm out of here. Gang.